Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Welcome to First City Bank.
Thank you. I need some help today.
I would be happy to help you. What can I do for you today?
I want to open a new bank account.
That is great. Is this your first account with us?
Yes, it is my first time here.
Wonderful. We have several options available.
What kind of accounts do you offer?
We offer checking accounts and savings accounts.
What is the difference between them?
A checking account is for daily expenses. A savings account helps you save money for later.
I see. I need an account for daily spending.
Then a checking account is perfect for you.
Can I open a savings account too?
Yes, you can open both today if you like.
That sounds very good.
Do you have your identification documents with you?
Yes, I brought my passport and driver's license.
Perfect. You have everything you need.
Do I need to wait in line?
Please take a ticket number right here.
Okay, my number's B12.
Please take a seat in the waiting area. An agent will call your number soon.
Thank you very much for your help.
You are very welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. I will sit over there.
Number B12, please come this way.
Hello again. That was very quick.
Please have a seat right here.
Thank you.
My name is Sarah. I will assist you today.
Nice to meet you, Sarah. My name is Alex.
Nice to meet you, Alex. So you want to open a standard checking account.
Yes, please, a checking account.
May I please see your official ID?
Here is my passport.
Thank you. I also need proof of address.
I have a utility bill in my bag. Here it is. Is this acceptable?
Yes, this electricity bill is perfect. Now I will print the application form.
Okay, what information do I need to write?
Please fill out your full name and address. Also, write your telephone number and email address.
Where should I write my phone number?
Right here on line 4, please.
Should I use blue or black ink?
Black ink is preferred. Here is a pen.
Thank you. I am writing it now.
Take your time, no rush at all.
Do I need to provide my employment information?
Yes, please state your current employer and occupation.
I work as a graphic designer.
That sounds like an interesting job.
It is. I enjoy it very much. I have completed the front page.
Let me review it for a moment. Everything looks very clear and complete.
Is there a second page to complete?
Yes, just a brief terms and conditions page.
Should I sign at the bottom here?
Yes, please sign and date right on this line.
Today's date is on the board, right?
Yes, correct.
Done. Here is the signed form.
Great. Now let us discuss your debit card.
Does a debit card come with this account?
Yes, a debit card is included for free.
When will I receive my physical card?
I can print your permanent card right now.
Wow, that is very fast and convenient.
Before that, you must choose a personal PIN.
What is a PIN?
It is a secret 4-digit security number.
Okay, where do I enter my PIN?
Please enter 4 numbers on this small keypad.
I entered my 4 digits.
Please enter the same numbers again to confirm.
Done. My PIN is successfully set.
Excellent. Never share your PIN with anyone.
I will keep it private and safe.
Now, do you want mobile banking on your phone?
Yes, I want to manage my money on my phone.
Please download our mobile banking application first.
I am downloading the application right now.
Great. Now open the app and tap Register.
What username should I pick?
You can use your primary email address.
Okay, I entered my email address.
Now create a strong password with letters and numbers.
I am typing a secure password now.
We just sent a verification code to your phone.
I received the 6-digit code via text message.
Please enter that 6-digit code into your app now.
It says registration successful on my screen.
Perfect. Your mobile banking is now fully active.
Can I check my balance on the app?
Yes, you can check your balance anytime, anywhere.
Can I also transfer money to friends?
Yes, internal and external transfers are easy and free. To complete setup, we need an initial deposit.
What is the minimum required deposit amount?
The minimum deposit is $20 today.
That is very reasonable. I would like to deposit $100.
That is fine. Are you paying with cash?
Yes, I have cash right here in my wallet. Here are 5 $20 bills.
Thank you. Let me count the money. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Exactly $100.
Perfect. Will this money be available immediately?
Yes, cash deposits are available right away.
Can I use my new debit card today?
Yes, your card is ready to use immediately.
That is great news.
I am printing your deposit receipt now.
Should I keep this receipt for my records?
Yes, please keep it in a safe place. Here is your printed deposit receipt.
Thank you. Let me check the details. It shows a starting balance of $100.
That is correct. Everything is accurate.
Is there any deposit fee?
No, making cash deposits is completely free.
Excellent. What about ATM cash deposits later?
ATM deposits are also free at all our locations.
That is very helpful to know.
Do you have any questions about depositing checks?
Can I deposit checks using my mobile phone?
Yes, you can deposit checks using your smartphone camera.
That is amazing. Now, are there any monthly maintenance fees?
The monthly account fee is $5.
Can I avoid paying that monthly fee?
Yes, you can avoid the fee easily.
How can I waive the monthly fee?
Keep a minimum daily balance of $500.
Is there another way to avoid it?
Yes, set up a direct paycheck deposit every month.
My employer offers direct deposit.
That is perfect. Then your account will be free.
Excellent. What about ATM withdrawal fees?
Our bank ATMs are completely free for our customers.
What if I use another bank's ATM machine?
Other bank ATMs charge a $2 fee per transaction.
Okay, I will try to use First City Bank ATMs only.
We have over 50 ATMs across the city.
Is there an ATM near my apartment?
You can check all ATM locations in your mobile app.
That is very convenient. What is the daily withdrawal limit?
You can withdraw up to $500 per day.
Can I change that withdrawal limit in the future?
Yes, you can adjust your limits in the app or in person.
Are there foreign transaction fees when traveling abroad?
International card usage incurs a small 3% fee.
Good to know. Should I inform the bank before traveling?
Yes, please set a travel notification in your app.
Why is a travel notification necessary?
It prevents our security system from blocking your card abroad.
That makes complete sense. Security is important.
Absolutely. Here is a brochure with all fee details listed.
Thank you. I will read this carefully at home.
You're welcome. Everything is clearly explained inside.
I have a quick question about lost cards too.
Sure, go ahead and ask.
What should I do if I lose my debit card?
Do not worry. You can lock your card instantly.
How do I lock my card quickly?
Open your mobile app and toggle the Lock Card switch.
Does that stop all unauthorized transactions immediately?
Yes, nobody can use your card while locked.
What if I find my card again under my sofa?
You can unlock it instantly in the app.
Wow, that feature gives great peace of mind.
If your card is permanently lost, call our hotline immediately.
Is the customer support telephone line open 24/7?
Yes, our emergency line is available 24 hours a day.
How long does it take to get a replacement card?
We mail a replacement card in 3 business days.
Is there a fee for replacement cards?
Standard replacement is free of charge.
That is very generous customer service.
We want to keep our customers happy and secure.
What about suspicious charges or fraud?
Our bank offers zero liability fraud protection.
What does zero liability mean for me?
You will not pay for unauthorized fraudulent charges.
That is very reassuring to hear.
You will also receive instant text alerts for large purchases.
Can I choose the alert threshold amount?
Yes, you can set alerts for transactions over $50.
I will set that up on my app today.
Excellent idea. Security settings are easy to customize.
You have explained everything so clearly.
I am happy to help you feel confident.
Are we almost finished with the account setup?
Yes, just the final welcome package now.
Perfect. Let's complete it.
Let me gather your official account documents.
Okay, I'm ready.
Here is your official welcome folder.
Thank you. What is inside this blue folder?
Your account number and routing number details.
I need my routing number for direct deposit at work.
It is printed clearly on page 2.
Great. I will give it to my manager tomorrow.
Here is your new physical debit card as well.
It looks very nice. Do I need to activate it?
No, we already activated it together at my desk.
Wonderful, so I can use it for lunch right now.
Yes, it is ready for immediate payment anywhere.
That is super convenient.
Here is my business card with my direct phone number.
Thank you, Sarah. I appreciate all your guidance today.
You're very welcome. Call me if you have any questions later.
I will definitely keep your card in my wallet.
Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, I have all the information I need.
Excellent. Welcome to First City Bank.
I am very happy with my experience today.
Thank you for choosing our bank.
Have a wonderful rest of your day.
Thank you. Have a great afternoon as well.
Goodbye.
Goodbye and take care.
I am walking to the restaurant now. I will try using my new debit card. Opening a bank account was very simple. Practicing English at the bank helped my confidence. Now I can handle transactions easily in English. I feel great about today's accomplishments. Thank you for watching this practical listening practice. Remember to practice speaking these lines out loud. See you in our next real-life conversation video. Goodbye, everyone.